So let's go ahead and check in here. This is a little bit of a bigger box. Mantis knives. Me personally, I've never heard of them, so this is a debut in the channel for sure. All right, I want to say probably a fixed blade. If I had to take a guess, a little bit of a larger size box. Bada bing, bada boom. Got some cushion here. Yep, just as I thought here. There is the knife, right? Nothing else. Very straightforward unboxing. All right, this should be an interesting one. We got the sheath. All right, we'll come back to the sheath in just a moment. Checking out the geometry on this one. Okay, it looks to be a hollow ground. That's kind of crazy. A little bit of a hollow ground there. 420 HC is probably the steel. That's what's labeled here on the blade. I want to say this gives me kind of budget end vibes for a fixed blade. We have a little bit of the exaggerating jimping going on there. 2 speed holes for extra horsepower. And then a little bit of a drop point blade with some belly and a very minimal recurve situation going on here. Got a nice plunge grind there for sharpening purposes. What's interesting on this one is the tang of the blade actually protrudes out further out than the actual handle itself. So that's an interesting little decision there. We have a little bit of a rubbery looking, not quite G10, but rubbery looking or feeling handle on this one. Crown jimping towards the back, same thing down here. So still surprisingly pretty comfortable on hand, got to give it that. This little area here, nice little finger choil for the index finger. Should probably zoom out a bit, Miguel. There we go. That's a better view. And, you know, the blade to handle ratio is going to be a little bit off, but you definitely have plenty of handle real estate and you can get some work done with this blade. So a very interesting addition here for the monthly box going in and out of the sheath. Okay. Feel that click. Okay. A little bit of rattle, nothing too crazy. We even have some speed holes on the sheath itself for even more horsepower. And as far as the clip, this is a very interesting clip. Never seen a clip like this one. It mounts this way, but I'm willing to bet you could maybe 90-degree turn it around. Right, we got some holes. We even got some open areas that are adjustable. So if you wanted to maybe turn this guy around, it looks like you should be able to. Right, but yeah, definitely a very unique sort of belt clip, right? Pocket clip, backpack clip, however it is you want to mount this guy. Mantis knives. If you have any experience with Mantis knives, definitely let me know. Again, first time here in the channel, checking them out. Kind of gives me a little bit more budget and sort of eyes. I'm not exactly sure how this rubbery handle is going to age over time as compared to something more solid like a G10 or a micarta.